Let's talk about limitations. Digital Anatomy Creator is a powerful tool with endless capabilities, but some limitations exist to keep printer components safe. The first one is the outer layer thickness. The outer layer must be at least 0.3 millimeters thick. It can be thicker, but not thinner. The second limitation relates to materials. TissueMatrix, GelMatrix, and supports are softer materials that cannot be printed as pure. In the outer layer, they must be a maximum of 50%. And in other layers, they have different limitations. TissueMatrix up to 80%. GelMatrix up to 60%. And support material up to 80% as well. In other noise functions, such as purlin, it's quite hard to determine the exact ratio. That's why we get an error message showing the estimated ratio for the layer's volume. Some of Stratasys' anatomical presets do not comply with the limitations. These presets were thoroughly tested to ensure they can be successfully printed without causing any damage to the printer.